The Trust and Legal Services Department of the Northern Conference serves not merely as a legal office, but as a protective ministry, safeguarding the institutional, spiritual, and fiduciary integrity of the Church and all its constituent entities. At the intersection of law and faith, this department provides counsel, resolves conflict, and promotes justice within the household of faith. Its motto, always in divine service for your benefit, not by words, but by action, reminds us that every legal matter is also a spiritual responsibility undertaken in the service to Christ and His mission. This is not just a phrase we recite, it's a principle of our office in practice. The department functions through 6 integrated sections: legal services, planned gifting and trust services, public affairs and religious liberty, Adventist risk management, the Office of the Information Officer, and the Office of the Abuse Prevention Officer. Together, these sections form a unified ministry of protection, stewardship, and accountability, serving all of our congregations and several institutional entities within the conference. The Legal Services section provides counsel, governance, support, and oversight on contracts, property, and compliance. Over this term, the section has focused on strengthening church governance, resolving disputes, and supporting major projects such as the Sedaven Estate and the establishment of the school's non-profit company. It has also worked with local authorities to correct unfair municipal billings and zoning, protecting congregations from unnecessary legal and financial exposure. Through proactive engagement and improved systems, the conference has saved substantial costs and strengthened confidence in its legal framework. The planned gifting and trust service section completes the restructuring of the conference wills portfolio, ensuring sound fiduciary practice and pastoral care for members managing their estates. More than 40 wills were finalized, and the section continues to help members leave a spiritual and financial legacy that advance the mission of the Church. The Public Affairs and Religious Liberty section has defended the rights of Adventist students and employees to observe the Sabbath and exercise their faith with integrity. It also engaged with national and continental bodies to promote religious freedom, representing the Northern Conference at the All Africa Religious Liberty Congress in Tanzania. The Adventist Risk Management section has begun developing a risk framework for local churches, while the Information Officer continues to roll out compliance training for the Protection of Personal Information Act, positioning the Northern Conference among the most compliant fields in the region. The Abuse Prevention Office continues its sensitive and confidential work of supporting victims, conducting awareness workshops, and partnering with other departments to ensure that our church remains safe places for worship and service. The work of the Trust and Legal Service Department is demanding and often unseen, yet it remains essential to the sustainability and mission of the church. Through each section, this ministry seeks to protect, preserve, and uphold the integrity of God's work in this conference. With gratitude to the officers, departmental colleagues, and congregations who uphold these principles, we continue forward, confident in our calling and dependent on God's grace. May our labor in law and ministry always honor the one whose church we serve.